Hello, my beautiful sewing friends. It's me, Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel, Murrmade Designs, where every single day I try every single day. I have missed a few, but I try every single day to show you a garment, tell you the fabric I used, tell you the pattern I used, tell you all my sewing shenanigans. There are always shenanigans. So that's what we're going to do today. And what we're doing in this series, this little series, is 10 garments made out of 1 meter, which is more or less the same thing as 1 yard of fabric. Is it doable? You betcha. And I'm inspiring you to try some 1 meter makes yourself. And we're doing 10 of them for $75. Cost me $75 for the fabric for 10 garments. So I will show you what I have on, and then we will talk about it. We're going to have, this is kind of a 2-for-1 deal. I have this top, and I will tell you the pattern, but I made this top a very long time ago. And I no longer remember where I got this fabric, what I paid for this fabric, but I do remember the pattern I used. So we're going to talk about this. But the garment that is part of our 10 1 meter makes are these shorts. These shorts with the pockets. Very nice, cool shorts. And you know what is kind of funny about this? It's snowing. Yes, we are approaching the end of April and it is snowing. And you know why? Because I live in Canada. Central Alberta, Canada. They say if you don't like the weather here, just wait 5 minutes because you're probably going to get another season. So, what can I tell you about this top? We'll start there. It is Quick Sew 3766. I know you definitely can make this top for less than a meter of fabric. I made view B. It's got the bigger neckline and the short sleeves. And you see that? It's just a very simple top. Says it's a 2012 release. Close-fitting pullover top, has self fabric neckband. View A has a round neckline and full sleeves. View B has a scoop neckline and short sleeves. Tops are very easy to sew and have a special easy to follow sewing instructions. And I have to agree with that. This is a very good pattern. If you are a beginner sewer, do not fear this pattern. I'll show it to you one more time. Do you like my hair? It's my shout out to pretending it's summer. It kind of looks like it's my shout out to being a toddler, but I'm pretending it's summer. And these shorts, this is very nice fabric that I made this top out of. It is a very beautiful royal blue, and it's a very stretchy. It's not an ITY. It's a little thicker than that. It's a very nice top. And then the shorts, I used, it's kind of ruffled up. I used McCalls. It's a McCalls Easy Pattern 4798. And this is kind of a fun pattern. It's got a skirt with a big ruffle, culottes is what we used to call them, straight leg pants, and then these shorts. And they all have elastic waistband. Mrs. Skirts, pants, culottes, or shorts. Mrs. set of pull-on skirts in mid-calf length with wide ruffle variation, pull-on culottes or shorts and pants with narrow legs, all have separate waistband casing with elastic. And it does. Suggested fabrics, cotton blends, chalet, chambray, lightweight linen, seersucker, lightweight denim, wool crepe, cotton knits, jersey. Wool crepe, really? I don't think I'd make shorts out of wool crepe. So this is quilting cotton. And it was 45 inches wide. This is how much I have left. Not much. Enough to show you. It's got a cute little kind of vine pattern on it. It's kind of a thicker quilting cotton, not a real flimsy one. I really quite like the color of it. And so this pattern, it kind of went together interesting. It has pockets in it. I love pockets. You sewed the leg inseams, then you sewed the center seam, and then you sewed the pockets on and sewed it together. And actually that's the first time I've ever made a pair of pants that went together in that order. Usually they do the pockets first, and then they do one leg and the other leg, and one leg inside out inside the other one. So, you know, at first I was like, that's weird, but it actually worked out pretty good. I actually quite liked how that went together. It was actually way easier to line up the pockets. And then it has a waistband, which I had to piece to get enough waistband. And so it's kind of holding on by the skin of my teeth to get this waistband on. And while I was doing this waistband, something I decided is I am not a fan of elastic waistbands. That actually, I think these shorts would have looked better actually with a zipper up the back, or even going through the troubles of making a fly zipper in the front. That elastic waistbands are, like, they're a lot of fussing around. And I know, like they say, it's easy and it's for beginners, but there's so much fussing around in getting an elastic waistband, you know, nice, and getting the elastic in it nice and even and all of that, that, you know, beginner sewers, do not fear waistbands that have zippers in them. That, if you've done one with elastic in and thought, wow, that was hard, I'm never ever going to even try a zipper, try a zipper. It's, the elastic fights you. It does. I made some notes because last time I made the video I made about the 200-day dress, there was so many things I wanted to tell you about making that dress, and I didn't tell you any of them. And I thought, you know what, I got to make some notes next time. Yes, it's 45-inch quilting cotton. I got it off of the local, well, actually a viewer called me and told me about a buy and sell in a city a little further away, that someone was selling a bunch of quilting cotton. I contacted her, said, do you have anything that's like 1 meter, 2 meters? And so I bought everything she had that was 1 meter or 2 meters. And so this is one of the 1 meters. And it was $5. So this is my $5 summer shorts. What else can I tell you about them? I think that is about all I can tell you about these shorts. And this top. So that is Quick Sew 3766, super duper winter, 2012 release. And, oh, I didn't tell you what year this one was. It is a, I knew, I looked before, it is a 1990 release. And it is McCalls 4798. And I do believe I am going to make it again with some bigger piece of material than just 1 meter, and maybe make that skirt, because I think that looks pretty cool. And today in my Grateful Thread, what I just want to say is something very cool is happening. With my YouTube channel, I am meeting people from all over the place, from all over the globe. I'm up here in Canada, in Alberta, Canada, in central Alberta, on a farm, and I am interacting and talking with people in America, in the United Kingdom, in India, in Australia, in all over the world. And I think that is so cool. I just think that is so cool that the internet allows us to be able to do that, to, you know, meet and interact, talk about sewing, having a sewing community that is really a global sewing community. How cool is that? I'm very grateful for that. That is very cool. And I hope, I'm kind of rambling on, so I better stop. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.